Every sip of Coca-Cola or Pepsi you take is part of a century-old rivalry. Now, at that time, both worth billions of dollars, but behind it, there is one of the greatest business wars in history: Pepsi versus Coca-Cola, where every ad, every move, and every mistake meant billions. Coca-Cola, born in 1886, didn't just sell a drink, it sold a feeling. It became a global symbol of happiness, optimism, and unity. Coke built something far bigger, a thing which every business wants, and that is a universal identity. Its real power wasn't in the recipe, but in consistency. A brand so familiar, it could be recognized in over 200 countries without saying a single word. While Pepsi, founded almost 12 years later in 1898, Pepsi Cola built its empire on adaptability, while Coca Cola relied on tradition. Pepsi targeted the young and price conscious. During the Great Depression, which was a global economic crisis that started in 1929 and ended in 1939, Pepsi Cola made a bold move, doubling bottle size for the same price. That single decision turned the crisis into opportunity and positioned Pepsi as the smarter, more accessible choice for a new generation of consumers. By the 1970s, the Cola Wars became a marketing battlefield. Coca-Cola focused its marketing on emotional connection rather than just the product itself. Open happiness was one of Coke's most famous slogans, launched in 2009. It encouraged people to associate opening a Coke bottle with opening a moment of joy, friendship, or positivity. Behind Coca-Cola's marketing strategies, Pepsi does something different. They invested in culture, music, celebrities, and sports, branding itself as the choice of a new generation. You may be shocked by knowing the fact that today PepsiCo earns more than half its revenue from snacks, not drinks. PepsiCo is the larger company by revenue because of its strong snack food division. Frito-Lay, which includes brands like Lay's, Doritos, Cheetos, Ruffles, Tostitos, Quaker Oats, and Gatorade. The Coca-Cola company is more focused on beverages but has a massive global portfolio. Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, Smartwater, Minute Maid, Powerade, and Costa Coffee. The real war for both companies now is against health concerns. With soda consumption declining in many markets due to sugar, obesity, and diabetes concerns, both are focused on diversifying into water, sports drinks, juices, and low to no sugar options. The battle is less about Coke versus Pepsi and more about each company's ability to adapt to health trends and compete in a world full of new and trendy drink brands.